Is stream working? I don't know. I stopped and started it, so hopefully stream is working. You guys say yep, so we're gonna trust that it's working. Hello chat, and welcome back to another stream. Let's see. It is July 22nd. It is a Wednesday of the year 2020, and it is actually the 22nd. We're not reading that incorrectly like I did a couple streams ago. But we're back for another stream. I'm wearing my fancy black shirt today for no reason whatsoever. Hey, what's up, Michaela? Thank you for hosting again as usual. Welcome back. We got a bunch of chat today to read through. We've actually missed a bunch because stream restarted due to who knows what reason. But you know, that's the way things go, I guess. Let's see, who all do we have today? We've got some messages from JB Pratt, which are off screen. And Interlane X, who said hello half an hour before stream started. I mean, if that's what you want to do, I mean, show up to my chat and chat all by yourself. That's cool too. But hello, Interlane X, JB Pratt, and Michaela. What else we got? We've got JS. I haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back, JS. Who asks, how do you stay motivated? And honestly, staying motivated is sometimes pretty difficult, unfortunately. But yeah, and recently I've been struggling a lot with staying motivated. I actually skipped stream on Monday, and you know, part of the reason was I was not super motivated. I felt like I haven't been getting much done in a while, so I basically took a day by myself to just, you know, sit and be alone and write some code and try and get some stuff done. And kind of do that off stream. So I'll actually be able to show you some stuff that I did since then. But yeah, I mean, motivation has been pretty tough with COVID and this quarantine and all of that shenanigans. So I don't know. I've been trying to stay sane as best as I can, but it's not always easy. Let's see. And then the stream went offline because of Twitch doing weird stuff. Oh no, it's offline again. What even? I don't know what's going on with Twitch today. Is it back? I don't know. Hello? Can you guys... Ugh. Alright, we're gonna restart OBS. Alright, we're gonna give this one more try. Is it working again? Are we back? I restarted the stream. I restarted OBS. Chat says it's working? Okay, well... We'll see how this goes, but it seems like Twitch might be having trouble today. Actually, let me see if there's a way that I can check that. Which should be unfortunate, because I really wanted to stream today and show you guys some cool stuff. Let's see, is there a status.twitch.tv? That would be cool. Twitch is always live except when it's not. All systems operational. Okay, well, I mean, Twitch claims that it's working, so we're gonna trust that. Let me say hi to all the people that I missed, because stream keeps having trouble today, which means I'm gonna have to splice video together, which I hate doing. But we'll see how that goes. I restarted OBS in case it's my problem, although I wasn't dropping any frames, so I don't know what's up with that. But let's see. We've got Ethan typing, hello, and Fixter Jake, how's it going? And Artist Tech, hello. Fixter Jake says, man, I've been through hell and back with my internet. Went out yesterday, fries and got someone here the same day. Turns out mice ate through the fiber cable. Oh no, that's awful. Michaela says, did you put a plushie in your lap and pet it while you worked? I didn't do that, but that would have been an interesting way to do that. Let's see. First time, yes, but I don't think they would again after 8 hours with a brand new cable. Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. I think the tech screwed up splicing them together. That would make sense. Okay, well, hopefully the stream continues to go well. Is it not working? Are we done? Are we not? Fuck. yeah, I don't know. In case this actually ends up being a stream, I'll click record. Is it DNS.com? Yeah. It's always DNS, right? Yes. This website is great. This is great. But yeah, I guess we'll just proceed assuming things go well. But if stream dies again, I'm just not going to stream today. Which sucks, but that's the way things go. I'll probably debug my stream on my other second channel, so I might be like playing around with that. But if, you know, if things cut out, I'm sorry guys. I really want to stream, it seems like some technical thing is getting in the way of that. Hey, what's up, Suki Lad? I haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back. Good to see you. But yeah, let me talk about what I did since last time. First, let's talk about the open source stuff. There's actually not that much open source stuff that I worked on, just a couple of small patches. This is a patch to PyTest, which is actually, sadly, my first patch to PyTest in quite a while. But you know, I've been trying to get back into it. It's not necessarily always, you know, something that I can have time for. But this was a small regression in the 6.0 release candidate. Where new lines were converted incorrectly to, well, all new line and new line like characters, including \r, which I don't know if any modern systems would choose \r as a new line character, but they were all being mangled to \n, and yeah, so basically got that fixed. No, Windows uses \r/n. So it uses CRLF, but this is just plain carriage return, which is actually being used as a terminal modifier thing here. So if you echo foo \r, echo bling string foo, or maybe it's \r foo. This, yeah. So \r will remove characters. Oh wait, what? How does this work? Could have sworn \r like clears the line. Oh yeah, it does. It does. Okay. So if you echo like foo and then \r and then text after it, it will clear the text before the \r and kind of take you to the beginning of the line and allow you to overwrite existing text. So that's how that works. Oh, I see. I was typing Rue. Like, where did the F go? Oh, I was just being a derp. But yeah, it allows you to overwrite text, which I believe that's what this... It allows you to overwrite text, which I believe that's what this test was validating here. But anyway, I fixed that. I happen to know this exact bug because I've run into it probably 4 or 5 times. And it's the... oh, this is the other patch, sorry. And it's the new line argument to file IO objects, or in particular, text IO wrappers. Yeah, passing new line equals empty string causes it to no longer muck with those new line characters and keep them the same. So yeah, that was the fix. One line fix. Copied their test and modified it a little bit, but then that worked well. Michaela says foo awoo. Ancient says Nixitive's color is black in your chat. Yes, Nixitive is black in my chat. It's also black on this, which is why I have to highlight Nixitive's names. However, I know which one is Nixitive based on the badges here, because I don't think anyone else has this OWL All Access Pass 2018 badge, or at least I have not seen anyone else with this badge yet. So that's how I identify Nixitive. Although Andrew X is kind of being a jerk here by selecting the inactive window Ubuntu purple. I don't know why you gotta do this, man. Hey, what's up, Arthena? Welcome back. Good to see you again. Michaela says stream hasn't died yet. You know, knock on wood. Hopefully it doesn't end up dying.
Actually, some coding.
Yeah, we'll hopefully be doing some coding today, Arthena. Thank you for resubscribing for 2 months. Appreciate it, Arthena. Yeah, we'll hopefully be doing some CODs today. Nixitive says turn on readable colors. Yeah, the thing with readable colors is I don't like the colors that it picks. So like the blue that I'm used to for my bot ends up being kind of annoying. Nixionative says re-pie. Whose channel is that? That's funny. I like that. Oh, it's Michael Reeves. Oh, okay, never mind. It makes sense. That makes sense. That would be one of his emotes. That makes sense. Okay, well, assuming stream is going well, we're gonna continue, I guess, today. So, you know, hopefully things turn out all right. Okay, but yeah, that was one of the patches that I worked on, fixing new lines in PyTest. The other patch, I actually made this patch while I was watching another stream by Swills6, who was working on, what were they working on?
Time has flown by.
Oh hey, Dom DF Coding, thank you for resubscribing. 2 months as well. And 2 months in a row. Appreciate the subscription, and time has indeed flown by. I mean, I feel like quarantine like just started like a week ago, and it's fucking the end of July now. Yeah, it's time is just zooming along. But yeah, I was watching Swills6, who is packaging some stuff for FreeBSD, and unfortunately a lot of the like testing libraries are super out of date in FreeBSD, and so he was working with old PyTest and Python 3, and this particular test in virtualenv was breaking, and so I made this patch to hopefully make his job a little bit easier so he doesn't have to, I mean, basically, so here's the problem with FreeBSD is often when you package a new version of something, you need to pull in all these updated dependencies so that the tests still work. And so we were trying to package new pre-commit, and new pre-commit needed new virtualenv, and virtualenv had gone through a rewrite, so virtualenv had like 10 dependencies that weren't packaged for FreeBSD, so we had to package all of those things, and all of those things had dependencies, and basically he ended up packaging like 20 to 30 different packages just to get one update in pre-commit. I felt pretty bad about it, so I was helping him out with that, which, you know, seemed to go pretty well. Like we ended up, you know, mostly getting things working. With this patch and some Unicode stuff, he was able to get the virtualenv test passing, which was cool. But yeah, that was kind of a fun stream. So check out his channel if you guys, you know, like my content and might like his content as well. But those are the offline open source stuff I did. I also, you know, answered a bunch of issues and stuff. Huh. This person self-solved their problem. I don't know what their deal was. I wasn't able to reproduce it, but... Oops, what did I just delete? Okay, sorry, just deleting my email to catch up to this. But yeah, and the other stuff that I worked on is with pre-commit.ci. I got a bunch of stuff working, which I'm super excited to show you guys. Let me get everything started up. This is what I did on Monday while I was kind of having a bit of a mental health catch up on code and, you know, feel better about programming sort of days. PR worker and run worker. So let me get all these workers started. And we need to open up our private window and log into my other GitHub account. Log in. acetilly2. Let me grab my password for acetilly2. Paste that in there. Copy this because I'm paranoid. Mikhail says, have you heard of F#, Anthony? It's one of those functional languages, and it looks confusing to me. I think it'd be more like C#. Yeah, I have heard of F#. I have not written much code in it. I tried basically the Hello World equivalent of it because, I don't know, I really like C#, and I kind of like the .NET space, and so F# seemed like something to try. I have not worked with a functional language though, so F# was like very unfamiliar to me. I was like not super you know, well adjusted to it. Like most of the like imperative, or not imperative, like the imperative languages, so like, you know, function calls and function definitions and that sort of jazz. Like I'm pretty familiar with how those work out, and so like C-like languages or Python-like languages or JavaScript-like languages, like adjusting to those is pretty easy. It's mostly just adjusting syntax and like thinking about that stuff is pretty easy. But for functional languages, I don't really have anything to draw off of because they're very different. And so, yeah, F# was kind of a bit of a mess for me. But what's on my OpSec says, "You are so cool." Is there like a song that's like sarcastically like talking about how cool you are or something? Is that what you're referencing? Are you being facetious? Michaela says thanks. Nice. Indonex says, "Ew code, I'm leaving." Well, I haven't written any code yet. Not yet, buddy. Fixer Jake says, I've wanted to check out F#. Yeah, it sounds cool. What's my OpSec says, "How can I be cool like you, Tony?" Well, Tony's not here today because I've not been drinking yet. Tony is my drunk alter ego, not my normal me. But hey, what's up, Milky? How's it going? That's Milky's meme. So, you know, I'm here with my hello and my welcome, and Milky's got the fist pow. It does look like stream has stabilized, so I guess we're gonna be streaming today, even though we had a bit of a rocky start, and hopefully things work out well. Oh, my tags aren't set. Fucking Twitch. It's because I took several days off. Let me fix that. Engineering. AMA. That's what, so people can find me from the programming tags. Educational. Okay, cool. I set my stuff, so hopefully that'll work well. Pymo says, "Have you tried having the keyboard parts further apart?" Yes. So the more natural position for me is actually when they're this far apart. But then, you know, it's harder for you guys to, well, I can't show it on stream as well because you only get like 2/3 of the keyboard. So I position them so they, you know, look a little better on stream. Let me get that into, oh man, now the camera's all messed up. Okay, anyway, but yeah, I have tried them farther apart. It is a little bit more natural for me, but I've gotten kind of used to this width here. Also, welcome to the stream, Pymo. Good to see you. JavaScript can be functional too. I mean, kind of. You can always kind of sprinkle functional aspects into, you know, most imperative languages. Like there's like, one would kind of say that link in C# is functional code, and you can certainly use the purely functional link approach, which I actually really like that portion of C#. Like, link is kind of amazing. If you guys aren't familiar with link, let's see if we can get a small example. It's basically like inline SQL, but you can run it against collections and stuff. Let's see if we can find an example. Yeah, so you can basically write, this is like first class syntax in C#. You basically have like a SQL query. Now, one interesting thing that they've done with link is they've actually flipped the, like normally you do select from where. Link is actually flipped in the opposite direction, so you do select absolutely last and the first thing you do is from, and this makes it really cool because it tab completes, whereas like if you had select first you wouldn't get any tab completion for the rest of it. But link is actually pretty cool, but I would say this is probably one of the more functional parts of C#, and usually I'm not a fan of functional programming or functional like programming, mostly because like it's really easy to do cutesy functional shit in Python that makes the code completely unfucking readable. But anyway, that's my take on functional. Hey, what's up, Marco Dev? Hello, welcome back. No Babby today? We should be doing some Babby. I mean, we won't be working on Babby. I'm still typing nano in my terminal, unfortunately. I turned off the alias because it was really frustrating me on Monday, so I don't know. I'll probably stick with alias like forever. Artist Tech says, "Wasn't F# more of a teaching language, or was that something else?" I think F# was intended to be like an actual real programming language. I think people use it. I assume. What's my OpSec says, "Try Erlang if you want pure good functional." Michaela says, if it's hard for you, maybe I shouldn't bother. It isn't that it's hard for me, it was that I had to adjust to it, I guess. Margo says, do a haircut, man. Soon you will not be able to see from it. Yeah, I mean, if I put it in front of my eyes, I, you know, can really live that emo life and, you know, be 16 again and, like, my parents are so awful and I have so many feelings and life is so hard. But yeah, no, I don't know. Probably, you know, nothing's really open to get haircuts, so if I got a haircut, I would probably just shave my head, you know? Maybe I'll shave my head during my 24-hour stream, we'll see. Nick Stiv with all the Milky Pows. Milky says, together we have the Welcome Pow. Yeah, that's true. Tony is the short version of Anthony, though. Yeah, but I don't respond to Tony at all. Margo says, why would we want your fingers, man? I don't know. Anthony, start Java doing some Ant. Ant is the short version of Anthony. Yeah, there we go, Michaela. Picture Jake and Nick Stiv both like Link. Link is pretty awesome. Hey, what's up, Shinji Karichis? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Is stream okay, Michaela? It froze for a second. I didn't drive any frames. Hopefully it's going well. Pragmatic Lou says Link is awesome, but I like the .select lambda syntax more. Yeah, that syntax, that's the more functional syntax than the select syntax. They both kind of work out the same. Or I mean, they both compile down to the same code, but yeah. Nick Schnips is completely unreadable. Isn't that just functional programming in general, right? Shinji Kurt just says, F# I love, nice. Moodykins says, Haskell is the most truly functional language you have, to be honest. Yeah, that's what I've heard. Also, welcome to the stream, Moodykins. Hello, hello. But yeah, I haven't done any Haskell either. I have not learned me a Haskell. Picture Jake says, I hated learning Haskell at my language concepts class. Hey, what's up, autocatalysis? Autocatalysis. There we go. Thank you for the follow and welcome to the stream. But oddly enough, I should recognize that word because I was actually more of a chemistry major in college than I was a computer science major. But I switched majors my third year? Yeah. And completed my CS degree in 2 years. But before that, I was going to be pre-med, and then I was going to be pre-pharmacy, and then I wanted to do genetics research, and I did all sorts of like biochemistry stuffs before being like, well, you know, I'm actually much better at computers, so I think I should just do that instead. But yeah, autocatalysis. That's definitely a thing that, you know, we did in our chem labs and stuff, where you have those things that naturally reach the activation energy in the presence of a catalyst. But anyway, this very first example of F# in the docs is weird though. What is this syntax? Hey, what's up, Shaz Robot? Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. If you guys want to check out Shaz Robot, who is very frequently in my chat, Shaz Robot has started streaming some Python stuff, learning some programming, working on some chatbots, and fighting with a lot. And yeah, but check out Shaz Robot. And welcome to the stream, Shaz Robot. Good to have you as always. All right, I was gonna look at the example that Michaela posted with. Ooh, oh, this is a decorator. I think. Yes, this is like a function. What the fuck? This is some weird ass syntax. I don't like this. Actually, maybe it's fine. But it's very different. Very different. But kind of cool. Semicolons as list separators? don't know how I feel about that. But anyway. Shinji Kurt just says, I love how dependencies are ordered in F#. Ooh. Nukin says, my school teaches Scala for functional and doesn't enforce it, so many kids just wrote Java with some Scala styling. Nice. Margot says, Tony Stark Sotile with a shaved head. Yeah, that would be an interesting one. Hey, what's up, The Wanderer and Earn4VV? Welcome back, and hello to both of you. OCaml as well as functional. Oh yeah, I've heard about OCaml. Michaela says, switch majors 3rd year and computered in 2 years. Stop stealing all the smarts. Yeah, I mean, I kind of cheated the the dependency tree in my major. So like, I took a bunch of classes and their dependence prerequisites at the same time. So I kind of completed it faster than you should be able to, but you know, it worked out. What part of select all done do you not understand? Get out. Hey, what's up, Prats? Hello, welcome back. Fudu says, do you use Oh My Zeesh? No, I'm just boring ass bash here. Very little customization. Basically, the only customization I have is my prompt is on the next line so that it's a little bit easier for you guys to read it in chat. Pragmatic Lou says, I wrote my first production Python scripts at work today. I love the easy abstraction. Nice. Shaz Robot says, end me. What were you working on today, Shaz? Sarcastic Dante says, and using globals not like this. Oh no. Pipe greater than is a pipe, and bracket. Saying these out loud is hard. I will just highlight them over here. This is a pipe, and these are attributes. Yes. This is similar to how C# has you know, the square bracket attributes as well. Although I use the Python DMA, which would be decorators, but yeah, they're basically the same idea. He sells syntax. Yeah. Actually, a robot with hands on his hips. Yes, indeed. Not even using dash. Yeah, minus 100 babby boys. Yeah, look at this. Also, pretty cool that my chat highlights the highlight thing. So this works even with Twitch's integration. So we get the same highlighting in my terminal. Oh, and Sarcastic Dante has set the MOTD, so this is a channel point reward, which you can also get in chatbots, which we learned a couple streams ago. Actually, what did I even do last stream? Does anyone remember? I guess I can look on YouTube and see what the YouTube video says. Because I don't remember what we did last time. Oh, we worked on chat rank. We worked on chat rank last time. Chat rank, Anthony writes code. I'm number 7 in my own chat. And what was the other command? Top 10 chat? Yeah, this is what we worked on last time. Sorry for all the pings, chatters. But yeah, this is what we worked on last time. So Michaela is still beating the bot by like 200 messages. This is since May or whatever. Kayla says, Anthony, what? I don't remember what I did last time, but you can remember like every git commit you've ever made. It's true. See, the thing with streams is they all kind of blend together, and I sit in the same spot, and so a lot of my mental like rememberingness is based on, you know, where I was, and if I'm in the same spot every time, I don't differentiate very well. The Endless River says, oh, we've got a clip. Also, welcome back, The Endless River. My parents are so awful, and I have so many feelings, and life is so hard. That's pretty good. I like that. Yeah, I fixed this in Julian X because of who was it? Who was it that broke this? They haven't been in the stream in a while. Geotrek fucked with this. And they were abusing this to send whispers to Pokemon, and I was like, well, no more. And so now my bot puts a space in front of every message that it sends. And so, yeah, it's fixed. It's fixed now, unfortunately. You guys had your fun, but now it's gone. Chesarbit says, in the Rights Code, I was struggling with fixing negative days followed because of fucking time zones. What the fuck are time zones even? And then I actually finally got Spotify auth to work with a library. Nice! Spotify almost leaked my environment 40 million times. You know how it is. Yes, I do know exactly how it is. Arthena says, do you know about get fame? I don't have that command installed, but I have heard of it. Get fame, where it kind of shows you like with the top contributors or whatever. Oh wait, wait, how does it figure out hours? How does it figure out time? How does it figure that out? Oh fuck, I just blew away my virtual env. Oh no, maybe it's still there. Okay, it's still working. Pip install get fame. We'll run get fame just for the lulz. Get fame. Yeah, it didn't show the time here, so I don't know what's up with that. Get fame cost. Hour month. I have cost 11 hours and 3 months, whatever the fuck that means. The fuck? Why is that a thing? I don't understand. Also, one of their badges is not SVG. For shame, OpenHub. For shame. Yeah, I don't know what that's about, but anyway, here are all the people that have contributed to my chatbot. So, Mr. Pirulito, I'm guessing that's what your name is, says, I like your key, but yeah, it's a good one. It's the Kinesis Freestyle Pro. If you do bang keyboard, you can check that out there. Akio says, not even a clip of him singing MCR. That's true. That's true. I think we do have one of those clips before. Yo says, I never got the bot to do /emote only. Yeah, the bot's not a mod. I was very careful to not make my bot a mod because I knew that somebody would manage to fuck something out there. But yeah, pip, uninstall, arg-opt, get fame. What else did it install? Where's the tabulate and tqdm? Tabulate and tqdm. Yes. Cool. Tabulate. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Pip uninstall tabulate. Bye. Madman says, are you using UTC or epoch time? I don't know. Hyla says, is this a reference to tech lead from YouTube? No, I actually was a tech lead at Lyft. So it's actually a thing. I had to convert to UTC. It actually wasn't that big of an issue. I'm just big dumb. Oh no. Oh no, Shaz Robot. Madman says agreed. That's not nice. DumbDF Coding says, I wonder if it just uses Kokomo model to estimate the time taken like Slack count does. Oh, maybe. That could be it. Sarcastic Dante says, look at the long boy and tell me what you see. Wait, I tried to make him not lewd today. Is he lewd? Did I fuck this up? It doesn't look like a dick today, right? Right? There's no balls here. What are you guys talking about? How does... God damn it, guys. Do I need to fix this again? Nico says, if I contributed to the bot a couple of times, would I be on the list? You would be on the list, yes. Brett says, today I worked on OpenCV to land my drone on a marked region. Oh, that sounds cool. All right, let's check that out. Oh, fuck you. Haha. Haha. It didn't rickroll me. Get wrecked, guys. Oh, because I'm still on selfie mode, so, didn't even make the noise. Yeah, get fucking wrecked. Saved by me being derpy. Even the time zones are picked on me. I got you. I was just messing with you. Madman. Madman? Oh, it's Madman. Why did I think there was an L in there? Yo, Madman is such a good name. I like that. Hey, what's up, Zolor? Hello. Welcome back. Kayla says, why is he tickling the balls? Bonk. Hey, Toddy, I haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back. Good to see you. How are you? What are you doing with the cats? They're just hanging out over here. There's nothing going on there. Full screen Anthony. Yeah. Dumb DF Coding says, where's Rexy gone? I don't know where Rexy is right now. I assume he's in the pile of blankets. I can go find Rexy. Also, I guess I'll move Longboy since apparently this is too dickish for you guys in chat. Where did Rexy go? Oh, there's Rexy. Hiding over in the corner. Bonk. There we go. we have most of the plushies. I guess we're missing this chunker. There we go. We have all the plushies, guys. Are you happy now? Are you happy, chat? I feel like every time I don't put all the plushies, you guys are like, where's the plushies? Where's Rexy? Where did they go? But anyway. Oh no, did I show my feet? Did I show my feet? Did you guys see my feet finally? Fuck. I was supposed to be hiding that for my OnlyFans content. Let's see. Madman says, have ramen. Thanks for the opinion on my name. Ooh, ramen's good. I like ramen. Yum. Madman says, many bitter night shifts have led me to this point. Gail says, but why aren't you holding the fat kitty and petting it like Dr. Evil? Have you seen Juice's streams? She has this most adorable fucking plushie that just sits on her lap. I think its name is Charlotte. It's so cute, but I don't have Charlotte, so yeah, I don't have a nice, like, you know, lap plushie, so to speak. But Tony says, I'm omnipresent in your streams. It's true. On Wikipedia it goes. Yeah, I guess. Oh man. Hey, what's up, Jugmac? Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Oh right, I was showing you what I've got working today. So we have the bot started, or sorry, we have pre-commit.ci started. Spoilers, I already got it working last time, but we'll make it work again. Hey, clone GitHub ace2/demo. So I'm gonna just push a commit to this PR. Git commit amend no edit git push origin head -f. This should trigger a run over here. If we look at this should go to pending very, very quickly. Pending. Pending. Okay, cool. It's pending now, and it's actually running over here. The first run is always slow due to something with Podman. I don't really know what, but it won't really matter in the grand scheme of things, hopefully. And then it should go to completed now. And the cool thing is, I now have a details link that now works properly. So this takes us to a run view. It's super ugly. Hey, what's up, Rafael Carcia? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, the run view now has some information here, so you can see, like, you know, what repo it was from, what service it was for, what the reference was, what the git SHA was, how it got triggered, what image we were using to run the checks on it, what the result of the checks were, how long it took to run. So this time it took 19.1 seconds total. This is, you know, about 13 seconds of Podman doing nothing for some reason. So this will actually improve over time. You can also see when it was put into the queue, how much time we spent waiting in the queue time, how long it took to clone. This timing is wrong. This actually needs to split apart build and run. So right now, both build and run are included in this build time. And so I need to fix that. I need to output the build information. I haven't done that yet. And I need to put the actual output here because I'm not capturing anything yet. But hopefully improving this view is what I wanted to work on stream today. Let me close this so I don't keep clicking on that. But we've got some stuff working, which is pretty cool. And this is what I spent Monday working on to get some of the data model here and some of the like logic there. Hey, what's up, ignorant boy? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I am peaking my audio today. Okay, I figured out why my audio gets fucked, and it really sucks. So I recorded a podcast yesterday, which will be, I don't know if it'll be up for, I think it's supposed to be up in like 6 weeks from now. But if you have ever heard of Talk Python, it's a pretty popular podcast. There's like 200 some odd episodes of it. Oh wait, no, this is not it. Oh yeah, no, this is it. Yeah, so my episode will be episode 280, so this will be up at some point. My house smells like rain. Really like that. Is it raining outside? That would be cool. But yeah, I'll be on this podcast pretty soon. Hey, what's up, R. Stancel? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. It's not raining. 65% humidity though, so that's up there. Precipitation is 2% though. I don't know why my house suddenly smells like rain, but but yeah, I did record this podcast, and I learned that Skype just kind of fucks with your microphone settings and doesn't tell you about it. So I had to do all sorts of stuff to make my sound not look shit. Michaela says Anthony wants to be that plushie. The lap plushie? Yeah, the lap plushie would be kind of nice.
Where's the plushies? Where's Rexy? Where did they go? Where's the plushies?
Where's the plushies? Jugmax says, what was the problem with Pyrite and pre-commit hooks? Yes, how did you know about this? I got like added on Microsoft. I was grumbling about this. Was I grumbling about this in Discord? I don't remember where I was grumbling about this. But they ended up just like fucking removing pre-commit support, which it didn't work in the first place, so yeah. Let me show you what's up with this. Hey, what's up, smaller guy? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. So if you tried to set up Pyrite, so Pyrite is a type checker for Python, written in JavaScript, or written in TypeScript, for whatever reason. But if you tried to use it with pre-commit, you got this crash here, and there's this dist Pyrite section that only gets built by running this npm run package. They made up this thing. This isn't a thing in npm. They have custom crazy bullshit here, and for whatever reason, they don't use the standard npm execution model or lifecycle here. They have their own custom lifecycle for some reason, but whatever. I don't really care. So blah blah blah, a bunch of back and forth, and then at some point, somebody added me and asked me what's wrong, and I was like, yeah, your thing fails when you do this, so you should fix it. And I told them how to fix it, and they're like, blah 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 blah. And I again said, this isn't working, you should just fix this, it has nothing to do with pre-commit, and then blah 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 blah. And then I wrote a fucking patch which fixes for them. And they were still like blah 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 blah, and then eventually the maintainer was like, this is dumb, I'm gonna delete this, and just like fucking closes everything. So but yeah, that's the deal with Pyrite, so I don't fucking know. It's just a mess, I guess. Kayla says, I went to Juice's stream once and I was in the middle of a serious talk and I left. So Juice isn't usually the serious talks. Like not always. But yeah, you caught the one stream where she was probably talking about the the allegations and stuff that were going on with the Smash community and the mess that was going on there. But yeah. Zoller says header yo. Yeah. I do plan to improve this at some point. So the reason that it says that there is if I log in, we actually get more information up here. So you can see like who I'm logged in as, and there's a logout button. And that should show up on this view as well. But I need to like, fix that better, make it work a little bit better. But yeah, and so the plan is to improve this stream today, so we'll make this happen. Sarcastic Donde says, make it look like a terminal and it will be beautiful. Yeah, that's the plan. I'm actually planning to use this package that my friend wrote called Pigment's ANSI Color, which allows you to feed ANSI code into Pigments and it will output highlighted text. And so we'll be using this to kind of make terminal highlighting. It's actually similar. It'll render similarly to how pre-commit.ci renders this. So we'll get an output that looks like this essentially. And that should be pretty good. Yeah, 19.1 seconds is pretty slow. Let's actually redo this so we can get a faster run. So I can show you what it would be more like on a, on a warmer run. Shazarbot says this meme is almost real anything. What meme do we got here? Learn some CI/CD tooling, pre-commit CI. Right? Hey, what's up? No. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. No. Hopefully you're doing well. But welcome. Let me close these tabs. And this one should be a little bit faster than the last one. Yeah, this one took 6 seconds. This is more in line with how long a normal run will take. Of course, if you're running on a bigger project, it will take longer than this. But clone taking 1 second, build taking, or the full run taking about 3.5 seconds is about right. This 4 milliseconds is fake. Most of that's in here. But we'll be splitting apart the build and the run as part of the refactoring today, but I wanted kind of some smaller stuff to do that. NJNX says, why doesn't Npm Audit grep package work? Do I have any Npm projects? Git clone, github.com, pre-commit. The pre-commit GitHub action has Npm. I can do that. Hey, what's up, Madden? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Npm I let that happen. Miguel says it needs pie charts and graphs, to be honest. What would you pie chart in this? I don't know how you would do it. Miguel says, can you run it again so we can see how fast it goes the second time? Yes, we did. It was fast the second time. Yoda Droid says, hello, late to the party and about to run off again. Well, thanks for stopping by. Good to see you as well. Mikhail says, is he Googling the weather instead of looking outside? Anthony, please. Yeah, my room is actually like a little bit sad right now where I have the blinds drawn and so it's kind of hard to see all of this. But yeah. Hey, what's up, Rafael Crisio? Hello. DumDF Coding says, so you're a podcaster now. Yes, I have actually podcasted on a couple of things so far. Let's see if we can find the other podcast I was on. So I was on Test and Code, where I was on there for a couple episodes. This is my LinkedIn profile from, this is kind of an old photo of me. I was a little bit chubbier in that photo. I mean, I'm a little bit chubby right now, I guess. But yeah, I was on a couple of episodes in Test and Code, mostly because I talk a lot about PyTest, and so I've podcasted a few times there. I was on Python Bytes once. Man, it'd be great if I could spell my own name. This one. Yeah, so I was on Python Bytes episode 145, where we talked about my own project called Flakegate 2020. So this is kind of a fun one. But yeah. I made a fucking terrible Go joke as well. Oh, right, guys. So assuming this part of the podcast doesn't get edited, when Talk Python comes out when I talk about pre-commit, I put in some memes that you guys will recognize in my chat. So hopefully you guys will find those amusing. But I definitely didn't put in some jabs to some of the open source shenanigans that I've dealt with. But there's some fun stuff in there. Pred says he does not use Windows. What? Yeah, definitely don't use Windows. Hey, what's up, Synecdoche? Hello. How's it going? Arthena says technically can't Skype properly. So the other thing with Skype that I've realized is they do some computation in the UI thread. So every time that you open, or every time that I open Skype, for whatever fucking reason, it just like freezes for 10 seconds and does absolutely nothing. So I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, Skype problems, I guess. Synecdoche with the Fox 5 and Love emote. That's a cool little emote. I like that. Jugmag says, I reported a bug in Pyrite and I saw the other discussion accidentally. Oh, I see. Nixiative says, so it still doesn't work. That's true. It still doesn't work because lol. Because the maintainer was like, this is not a bug. I don't fucking care. I don't want people to use my tool. But yeah. More bullshit in the Smash community? Jesus, yeah, it's true. More bullshit. I mean, all those kid diddlers. I mean, what are you gonna do, I guess? Tony says that 4 milliseconds, it's placebo for the dev. Yeah, it is actually. So this duration, it's actually, there is actually 4 milliseconds before I report, build, and run completed. So this time is actually correct. But it's referring to something that's complete garbage. If I show you, oh, we want to do Npm Audit. That's what we're doing. Npm Audit. Well, I don't have any problems, so I can't. So give me something about Npm Audit, AngelinaX, because this seems to be working fine. Or at least I don't have anything auditable there. But yeah, let me show you why that is currently 4 milliseconds. And that's because I added this. So there's several stages in the run, and I set a bunch of data for them. And so like I run set start when we start doing the run. We do clone finish when the clone is done. And right now, the build finish and run finish are right next to each other. So there's 4 milliseconds between these two calls. And that's why that's being reported as 4 milliseconds. But really, I need to split this run.main into 2 sections. One that's doing the actual build, and the other part that's doing the actual run, so that these can be properly separated. But they're not there yet. But yeah. Sarcastic Dante has thesaurus for object-oriented. Greedy, profane, secular, sensual. Wait, why would sensual be object? What? I don't even know what this word is. Banuasic? Banasic. I've never fucking heard of this word before. We're gonna learn a new word today, chat. Banasic. Serving utilitarian purposes only, mechanical or practical. Huh. Never heard of that word before. Anyway. Chubby Anthony. Yeah. Let me see if I can find a chubbier photo of me. Because there was a time where, let's see, if I go to Google Drive, maybe I can find one. I know I uploaded one to Drive at some point. Let's see. Let's see if we can get the chunky Anthony. Not in that drive. Maybe it's in this one. This fucking photo. Oh my goodness. It actually kind of looks like my hair right now, you know. But I was a little bit chunkier here. Let me see if I can find the other one that I was thinking of. But here's me eating chips. This one I definitely feel chunky in, but here's a chunkier Anthony photo. From what year would this have been? 2009. In this fucking jank ass apartment I was in. This room was awful. It got up to like 110 degrees whenever it was warm outside. But yeah. But actually, you know, my computer setup was not all that different than it is today. Like, this is still the screen that I use. This is still the same set of speakers that I have here. Yeah, there's nothing criminally not criminal, what's the word I'm looking for? Compromising in this photo, hopefully. But yes. He also says, Anthony will read this message in about 8 minutes. I'm only 5 minutes behind Michaela. Hey, what's up, Enzak? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Skype sucks. Yeah, I agree. Just write your own Skype. Snapshot says you're broken. Hey, Snapshot. Welcome back. Angela Next suggests this repo. Insect says he doesn't want people to use this tool. I remember somebody who made a kind of popular tool and he said it's fine meaning Python 2.7 instead of upgrading to Python 3. Oh yeah, what is that tool? I'll just maintain Python to myself. What was it called? This one. I'm perfectly capable of maintaining Python 2 myself. This one. Calibre. That's what it was. This fucking guy. No, it doesn't. I am perfectly capable of maintaining Python 2 myself. Far less work than migrating the entire Calibre codebase. Status won't fix. Yeah. This fucking guy. Oh, man. But, yeah. Kale says, couldn't find the actual content on that page without the ads, right? Arthena says, I can't see the difference too today. Alright, buddy. That's bro Anthony, true. Hey, what's up, Chico Codes? Just got here. What am I looking at? You're looking at Chubby Anthony, I guess. What the fuck did you get me to download, Angelian X? What the hell is going on here? Why are we building SQLite from source? I'm gonna Control-C this. Is there enough NPM to now audit this? Oh, and then you wanted to grep for package? This, like this? So the problem is this isn't actually a pipe character, maybe? This is like some other special pipe character? With maybe a non-breaking space? Yeah, there we go. So this got it to work. Sort dash u. No, not dash y. Dash u. So that's why that didn't work. Oh, also, Chico Codes is another streamer. Check out their channel. Actually used to work with Francisco at Lyft. But yeah, check out their channel. But yeah, here you go. That works. That works. So Image50 says that's a lot of root beer. Oh yeah, in the photo there is a bag of root beer in the background, I think. Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I really like root beer. Root beer is my jam. Oh yeah, I definitely was. Wait, is there also beer in this photo? Because I was not 21. Shh. Actually, I don't think there's any beer in this photo, so maybe I'm okay. But yeah, that was a while ago. But anyway, also criminally. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Black Mini? Hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Nihilonicious says he migrated anyway. Well, I mean, he kind of has to because Debian was just gonna kick him out. Because they've kicked out any Python 2 packages at this point. Enzek says the guy's name was COVID. What? Was it actually COVID? Calibre, Python, yeah, this one. Is his name actually COVID? His name is actually COVID. That's an unfortunate name. Initiative says the amount of loud and delusional people in the open source is astonishing to me. Yeah, it's true. AngelNX says it is SQLite. I mean, yeah, it looked like SQLite. DumbDF Coding says, I wonder how maintaining Python 2 is going for him. Yeah. Chico Code says 3,388 vulnerabilities, pretty average. Shit. Kayla says, time to use Unicode data.name. Yeah, we can grab this character and see what it is. Import Unicode data.name. We could also make a chat command for this. Box drawings light vertical. I wonder what this character is. Space. Well, why did it not match when I searched for that? Are these all normal characters? Unicode data.name C4C in this. Square bracket. Yeah, these are all just Latin characters. I don't know. I don't know why my original grep didn't work, but I guess that's the way things go. Sundrell says, what X tech lead is he? So he still works at Lyft, as far as I understand. Nihilonicious says he migrated his Kitty terminal and is in the process of migrating Clibre to Python 3. Nice. Well, he'll get there eventually. Oh no, Sundrell has the same icon too. Well, I can read Sundrell's name, whereas I can't read Nixitive's name, so I can at least differentiate in that way. Hey, what's up, Avalbona? Hello, hello. Welcome back. Shazarwat says, did you just confess to a crime? Yes, I drank alcohol before I was 21. So fucking sue me. Who didn't? A lot of the time was, you know, my parents were like, here, have a beer, son. And I was like, sure, I'm not gonna say no to that. But, yeah. Mikhail says, nominative determinism, he's a heckin' disease. Nzac says, Python timing question, if I want to return two vec2s, can I write it like tuple vec2 vec2, or is that wrong? Yeah, no, that's exactly how you would write that return value. So, in Python, if you have a multiple return value, so, you know, some f that returns a comma v, this syntax here is actually the same as just returning a tuple here. And in fact, in the Python grammar, the parentheses actually mean nothing for tuples. Parentheses are just a grouping character, and they're entirely optional. Like if you have this is also just a tuple, even though there's no parentheses here. The only case where parentheses are required for tuples are for zero size tuples. So the empty tuple. That's the only place where parentheses actually mean something for tuples. But even this here, the parentheses are just grouping characters here. The actual tuple starts on this character, which is really annoying, and I have to handle this in a bunch of my tools because, you know, it'd be a lot more convenient if the parentheses were meaningful, but they're not, lol. But yeah, this is, you know, the same as returning a tuple, and it's a positional tuple, so, you know, inster or whatever. I actually covered this in a video I just uploaded recently, although the video talks about a different thing. It's more talking about ellipsis, but I also cover the particulars of tuples in that video as well, so you can check that out here. But yeah, thanks for the question. Sandriel says, almost a sub, yeah. Box drawings fancy, yes, it's true. Nuberfron says, 0 df view 0. What? What is that supposed to mean? Nixitive says, I drank before 14. I mean, so did I. High school? Fermi says, Canadian fall. It's the drop song. Why is it so quiet today? There we go. We'll enjoy the drop song at higher volume, and then we can turn it down afterwards. But this is basically the best song in this playlist. So, Nuberfron says, issue here. Are you a bot, Nuberfron? I feel like you're just saying nonsense. Initiative says it's basically tradition to be a drunk before 15 here in Denmark. Nice. The other server says, is there anything new from your partner application? No, there hasn't been, sadly. It still says affiliate here, and no one has sent me any information about it. And still, if I go to achievements and click on apply, it still says in review, and we still have the Twitch. So yeah, I have not heard anything back yet, unfortunately. I was thinking I would by now because it has been, they say in 7 business days, and it has been, let's see, I applied on the 6th? Oh no, I applied on the 29th. Yeah, so it has been 5, 10, 15, it has been 18 business days, so almost triple of what they promised me. But we'll see, I guess. DumDF Coding says, I drank alcohol before I was 21, but it's legal here. Nice. Athena says, please no beer. Here, have a gun. That's true. You can buy a firearm at 18. You can smoke at 18, but you can't have a beer in the US, which is a fucking mess. Mikhail says index equals 69. I guess it was the... So the weird thing about that is it was actually the 67th video. Or the 68th, because, it was 0 index. But YouTube's always off by 1 for some reason. I don't know what's up with that. Chat, let's stop writing for 5 minutes so we can catch up. I'm actually caught up now. Initiative says, gonna head off, watch some Netflix, eat some pizza, likely fall asleep on the couch. See ya. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around in the future. But yeah, we're gonna actually write some code today, is the plan. Gram.js. How big is my npm cache? Should I delete this? Oh, it's taken a while, so it looks like it's kind of chunky. 282 megs. Yeah, we can delete that. Bye, npm. Snapshot says, are there states you need to be 21 to buy smokes? Maybe. Smoking age, United States. I think California changed theirs to 21. Or it's now 21 across the entire United States. December 20th, 2019, the president signed legislation amending the FDA, the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, raising the federal minimum age for sale of tobacco products from 18 to 21. Oh. I guess that's a thing that I didn't know about. But yeah, I guess it's 21. My bad. Fermi says you're caught up because that was 5 minutes ago. Yeah. Kinetic. Right, I'm just going to call you Kinetic. Kinetic says you can drive a car 5 years before you can have a beer. Insanity. That's true. It's true. Initiative says a what? Shazarwat says, get fucked, 18-year-olds that are addicted when this went into law. So they were probably grandfathered in. That's how it went when they changed the drinking age from 18 to 21 also. So that wouldn't surprise me. Yeah. But anyway, so the plan for today is to work on splitting up some of this run function, which is currently just a massive... This giant function goes from line 404 all the way up to 267. So this is a 140 line function, and we're gonna split this up today, which will allow us to have differentiation in the various stages. But I'm actually out of water, so I'm gonna go fill up my water. I will be right back, and I will see you guys in a second. Oh, that button didn't work. Hi, chat. What are you what are you laughing about?
Nothing.
I'm back. Someone's here. What the fuck was that? You didn't even close my door. Juice is here, by the way. Yeah, I'm talking to the plushies. The plushies are attacking. But welcome back, chat. I got water. We're gonna do some more strim. Enzek says, so when you're 14 years old, you can start working. When you're 16, you can get a driver's license. When you're 18, you can marry. And when you are 21, you can destroy your life with cigarettes and alcohol. This is actually good. I mean, you could do that before, just like it's legal. What's the age for marijuana in the various states? What's up with that? We hack an Anthony Juice. Yeah, apparently Juice sent some messages, so that was not me. That was Juice Buck Zero. He's at my house doing work, I guess. It says, is he talking to the plushies? The plushies are attacking. Hey, what's up, Melting Lava? Welcome back. Hello, hello. It says, I'm scared to fill a cup up that full. This isn't that full. I didn't really spill all that much on the way over here, but... Oh, Santriel. I would say that marrying is more destroying than getting drunk. Yikes. Oh, that's kind of funny. Okay, let's see, to extract, this gets modified there as well, and repos gets modified there as well. Okay, so we have kind of three phases here. Yeah, so this is all the build phase up here. So I kind of need to split this function, this mega function, into two different functions. But yeah. I don't know why Juice threw my mask at me either, but this is my cute little mask that Juice gave me. It has a heart on it. It kind of looks like the Heartbleed logo. Oh, that's putting my hand over it. It's not quite the Heartbleed logo, but it's pretty close. It's a pretty nice mask. Kayla, that is not what I said. I may have slurred it, I guess. I said heart on it, not hard on it. But yeah. But yeah. Oh. Ooh, I just deleted someone's LinkedIn thing. Wait. I just automatically assumed if somebody is adding me on LinkedIn that they're not somebody that I know. Yeah, I don't know them. Sucks to suck. Anyway. Michaela. That's funny. Okay. Yeah, so we kind of need two stages here. We have the build stage. Build. And this takes what? Image and repository stir, and this returns probably these three things. Manifest by ID. Does this get used after? No, this only gets used in the build phase. And only in that one section there. Okay, so this returns a tuple of set to extract and set repo. That type is pretty easy. And then we take... Wait, does CFG get used later? Sure, everything is installed. It does not get used later. So that can get moved as well. So really just moving this big old chunk of code here into a separate function up here. Return to extract and repos. repo. We should also put this down in the main function, because that function should probably not have any side effects. To extract and repos equals build args.image args.repository, and yeah. Let's see what the linter has to say about this. Pre-commit.ci builder run. Undefined named args, right? Because we inline things now. So instead of args.repository, it's just repository. 280. Image is inlined. 286. I really need to get linters working in my editor. Oh, I bet this fits out online now. Nice, nice. 353. This one is not gonna fit on one line. 357. It's 47. This one. And 370. 370. I see you, Chico Codes. I have a question about Envoi. Can you help? No, I cannot help you with Envoy. It's funny though. It's really funny though. Okay, I think that should fix that now. 351. I skipped one somehow. Oh, I bet this fits on one line too. Damn, so close. Oh well, close enough. You missed one. Yeah, I did miss one, melting lava. I got there eventually. It says, my face when I add you on... My face when? You've got two wins there, Shazarbot. And I add you on LinkedIn. Who the fuck is this? Image50 says, how do you check type annotations in Python? Is it a package or is it in Python itself? So I use MyPy, and the way I hook that up is through pre-commits. So I basically just use vanilla MyPy. This is actually an old version. I believe there's 782, which is out now. But MyPy is a type checker, and I do actually have a YouTube video about getting started with MyPy. Introduction to Python typing and MyPy. Oh, and I believe Shazrobot has already linked my video. Cool, perfect. Man, when your chat does your shilling for you. Thank you for that, Shazrobot. Michaela says, Anthony, 5 minutes from now, I have a video on that. Here you go. Oh wait, Shazrobot. Yeah, no, you guys know me too well. Shazrobot says, when Anthony reads this in 10 minutes, I gotta go finish this Anthro class. Have a good stream. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around. It's always good to have you, Shazrobot. Arthino says, 350. Where did I 350? Where did I tree fitty somewhere? I don't know that I did that. Oops. There's actually a bug in the VS Code YAML syntax highlighting where it thinks that this is a number, even though it is definitely a string. Probably because it doesn't look ahead properly, and this looks like a float from the beginning. But actually, I wonder if I could fix that. What thing am I using for that? If it's Atom, I can't fix it because I think I'm banned. Because some guy got salty on one line or one character change. Fuck, where would that be? Git clone, GitHub, Babby grammars. Grep YAML. No, this one's a TextMate one, so I can actually contribute to that. Let's see if we can find number. Comment. Oh boy. This is their match for booleans. Which is great. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. True, true. False, false, false. On, off, off, off. Huh. Anyway. What is this supposed to be? What is this matching? Scalar plain out implicit dot type. I see. Hey, what's up, El Papa Pig? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully your day is going well. But my guess is that it's matching this chunk here, which is wrong. Numbers followed by a dot, followed by any numbers with a dot. This is a bug here. This should not have a period here. Yep, that's the bug. I bet if I fix this, it becomes the right value there. Let's see if we can fix that. How would I test this? Togs devenv venv. We'll just edit it in line and see if I can fix it, and then we'll see if we can fix it in their actual thing. Snapshot says, did you get into VR games at all? I have not at all. Synecdoche says, Adam doesn't use regexes anymore though. Common languages have a tree sitter implementation, so they are still split. So they have half of their stuff in tree sitter, and the other half is using the TextMate stuff. So, yeah, their popular languages are using tree sitter, but the old stuff is still using TextMate stuff. Hey, what's up, guy? Hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. And Rizax, how's it going? Good to see you as well. Hylas says fucking regexes, yeah. Agreed. VM share Babby. I guess it made the directory, but were editable installed? Question mark? Let's just do pip install dot. Source.yaml.json. Wow, I'm actually surprised how quickly this renders. Usually Babby struggles really hard with really, really long lines, but this actually worked pretty well. But let's find that little bit of regex here. I believe if I do this here... Oh, did you see the lag there? Well, now it doesn't lag because it's cached, but that was messy. Okay, so this should actually fix that there. Workspace, pre-commit.ci, pre-commit config. Nope. Still fucked up here. Yeah, weird. Huh, let's see if we can find some other place where there's a number. So maybe it's not going through that chunk there. Oh, there's another one here. Zero through 9. So it's probably not that one. It's probably not this one. We fixed that bit. Unless it thinks it's like a base 60 number somehow. Oh, here's the same bug. Boop. Wonder if they have the same bug again somewhere. No, that one's fine. Why do they only have this bug in some places? I don't understand. Okay, let's try that now. Hey, it's fixed! Nice! Michaela says, I always think you're saying my name when you say Hylas. Oh, because it's similar to Michaela? I see. That makes sense. Artist Text says, I was looking at poetry last night. What do you think about it? I think poetry is well designed. I don't use it myself. I mostly just use requirements files because they work well enough for me. But they're pretty good. Hylas says, maybe because he spells my name like Halus instead of how it's written. I think I'm reading H-I-A. Like Hyalus? That's how I'm pronouncing it. Oh, it should be said like Hylas. Oh. Okay, I can adjust. Thank you for letting me know there, Hylas. I will adjust that. Hey, what's up, JB Pratt, who says, cats are fed, food is cooked. Chat was talking about like cooking your cats before stream. I was very confused about that. But I'm glad that your cats are fed. Welcome back. Good to have you as always. Let's see if we can fix this grammar. Let's see. How does this thing work again? Download syntax. Where do we get the YAML from one? The YAML one from textmate/yaml.tm bundle. Over under on this patch ever being accepted. Ooh, they changed the new tab page. That's annoying. This used to be dark, and you used to be like, oh yes, it's dark, I love it. Let's see, the last commit was in 2018. I am concerned. But the fix is right here, I believe. I wonder if that dot is supposed to be an underscore. Probably not. But it's also in a couple other places. 0 to 9 dot. 2 places. Yeah, let's send the patch and see what happens, I guess. Zero to 9 dot. This one here, and this one here. Yeah. Fix highlighting of base 10 numbers. This was incorrectly highlighting the following. Ref 3.8.3. Should be a string highlighted as a number. Cool, and I don't have to fill out a PR template? Man, this is some good shit. But yeah, this will probably be never merged, but I can at least send the patch and hope that it gets fixed at some point. G-Frat says bonk chat. Indeed. But yeah, hopefully that will fix that there. We can actually update Babby's grammar so that it works automatically by using my own fork of this. If I remember how the fork thing works. Fork. Oh, to do. That's how that works. So if we to do and link this. YAML. To do equals this. And we want to grab whatever my commit was for that. Hey, what's up, Synecdoche? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream, even though you're already subscribed. Thank you for the follow, friend. Get cloud, github.com, acetilly/yaml.tm bundle. So this should switch to acetilly/ and we'll grab the first 8 of this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I remember correctly, bin download syntax. Bin download syntax. Download. only accidentally /yaml.tm bundle. Is that how this thing works? TM bundle. Oh, and then we have to rm licenses /license textmate YAML. Oh fuck. That's not how this works at all. I think we just have to do bin download. Which will just download everything. Be a little bit slow. But that'll help it even things out. Snapshot says, going to send a link to Discord later. Y'all need to see this VR game. Oh, nice. Oh, and Toddy has redeemed Type Racer with chat. I guess we can play some Type Racer. Let me boot that up and sign in. I'm logged out, apparently. Type Racer. Grab my password there, paste this here, and sign in. And you guys got your typing fingers ready to go? Are you guys ready to get completely destroyed by Michaela, as usually happens on this Type Racer-y thing? But let's grab the Type Racer link, and JavaScript : semicolon. Yeah, there we go. We grab the Type Racer link and paste this in chat, and click join, and when enough of you join, we will be able to get started here. And you guys are gonna wreck me. Juice says I can sabotage. No. Hey, what's up, Nackler? Welcome back. Good to see you as well. Are you gonna sabotage by winning, Juice, or are you gonna sabotage by fucking with me? No! No, Juice! No! Oh, I was so close to being done! I was still in second place. Hey, what's up, Samaj9909? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Why would you do this? But yeah, thank you for redeeming that, Toddy. Man, 95. That wasn't so good. But that was fun. I'm guessing this is Michaela as usual. Wait, who is Bonk Michaela? That's such a good name. But yeah, thank you for redeeming that. That was fun. This should be updated now. Did it do the reordering here? Or do I have to do this manually? There's something that reorders this, but I don't remember how to trigger it. This would go here? Yeah. UVWXYZ. Yeah. Hey, what's up? Billy M, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully your day is going well. Mine's going pretty well. Saynatum says, boy, you seem to have typed too much in your life. Yeah, I've spent a lot of time on like AOL Instant Messenger and you know, getting good there. Sarcastic Dante says, that's me. Nice. Billy M says, fourth, oop, I can't type right now. Slooby-Doo says, I don't know if I shut up, but I think I won that one. Synecdoche got 43 words per minute. Slooby-Doo got 117. Oh, wait, was that not Michaela? Michaela didn't win this time? What? But damn, nice, Slooby-Doo. DumDF Coding says, I struggle with Type Racer because I can't see the words and what I've typed at the same time. I can usually type faster, but I need the visual feedback. I agree with you, DumDF Coding. That's the part that I struggle with as well. Also, I'm a slow reader, so like I'm very limited by my reading. I think Michaela just didn't do it. I think she's away from keyboard right now. Because she hasn't typed anything in a while. St. Anner says, by the way, what are you building? It looks like CI plumbing. Indeed, it is CI plumbing. Well, I got distracted. I was working on my text editor. But the thing that I'm working on is a CI system for pre-commit. If you check out Bang today, you can read more about my project. But the idea is a purpose-built continuous integration system for the pre-commit linter code formatter framework. We're getting very close to things working, or like things completely working, but we'll get there. We'll get there soon. Billy M says, I type far quicker when it's coming straight from my head. Yeah, me too. Me too. Typing out of context makes it harder. I agree. But yes, I am working on CI plumbing, but before that, we're working on getting grammar updated stuff. So what? Git diff. Yeah, big old diff there. Pip install dot. And we should be able to look at the pre-commit config now. Yes, so this is highlighted properly now. And if we remove the string at the end, it is now an integer again. So nice, that's working exactly how we want it to work. Git checkout origin master dash b YAML number fix. Git commit dash m fix highlighting of YAML numbers. Ethel Bonus says, is it possible to reopen an issue on GitHub? Yes, but only if you are the maintainer or wait, no, triager or above role. So like you can't reopen your own issues. Unlike GitLab, on GitLab you can reopen your own issues and be a real dick about things. But you can't do that on GitHub. Which is unfortunate, and it leads me to locking a lot more issues on GitLab where people are like, no, you should do this anyway because I said so. And I'm like, bud, you can go fuck yourself. But yeah, anyway. So this updates this and does that. I think we'll actually do a full... Oh, we should have a test for this. Test data. Wait, source YAML.yaml. Hello world. This is a multi-line string. This is a number. This is not a number. I believe we actually have tests, right? How do the tests work? Bin tests grammars. Now tested, removed from the list. Ooh. Cool. That'll add some tests for this. Just because I hadn't tested it before at all. That'll improve this a little bit. But I actually haven't bumped the grammars in a really long time, so we'll probably also do a grammar bump after this as well. Saint Enter says, how far do you have to come to write your own text editor? You mean how much sanity do you have to lose to write your own text editor? It's actually not that hard. The basics of a text editor aren't actually that difficult. I think I actually go over kind of the basics of curses in a YouTube video. And, I mean, learning this basics took me a long time, but curses. But yeah, like extending on from that, I kind of like, you know, the reason that I wanted to write a text editor is I wanted to learn curses, and so like this was kind of my excuse to, you know, investigate into that a little bit more. But I actually talk a little bit more about my text editor. If you do bang editor, there's a video for that as well. You can check that out and see some stuff about there. But I believe it's in the stream FAQ. Oh, we didn't mean to play that. Oh, picture-in-picture, go away. This is what I meant to do. Was this one. What is your text editor and why is it not Vim? Look at that clickbait. Such good clickbait right there. Athena says YouTube light theme blinded. Yeah, I don't actually like dark mode. I'm a little bit wrong. Michaela says I also wrote my text editor by forking Nano and then not changing anything. So the thing is, I have actually changed Nano as well. There are parts of my parts of Nano Oops, I hit caps lock. Cool, cruise control for cool. If I'm in Nano, this behavior was actually, I added this. So control plus the arrow keys lets you jump word by word. This was one of the things that I added to Nano. Oops, press page up. But yeah, I have actually edited Nano as well. Synecdoche says the hardest part I found so far is making the editor refresh properly, i.e. efficiently. I see, I have actually done very little effort in that so far. Mine currently does a full redraw of the screen every single time, and it's actually not that efficient, but you know, the draw loop is less than 5 milliseconds right now, so it doesn't really matter, but I will eventually like fix that at some point. Synecdoche says, granted I can only navigate files, not edit them yet. Yeah, it took me a while to get to the point where I was actually editing files as well. I think like the first 3 months I was really only just drawing stuff. Some of the stuff that you're going to run into that's going to be a real pain in the butt that I still haven't properly handled in Babby is character widths. And tab sizing. It still doesn't quite work perfectly in Babby. There's still some like mistakes there. But yeah, we'll get there eventually. Yo says I was joking, not bullying. No, I got you. Yoda Droid says, did you edit Nano in Nano? Yes, and I edit Babby in Babby. And I've edited Babby in Nano, and I have not edited Nano in Babby, but yeah. Saint Iron says, here we go, flexing random stuff, X tech lead from Lyft. Yeah, I mean, I don't know that making a text editor is quite a flex. It's more just like a, why would you do this, but also kind of cool sort of thing. But yeah, I don't know. Synecdoche says, not using curses, it does weird things for me. Oh yeah, curses does weird things? Yeah, it doesn't surprise. So are you doing the raw escapes like directly? That sounds like more work. Let's see, bin, download grammars, update. Oh, there's no tab complete, of course. So let's see if there's any grammars that are out of date. Surprisingly not. The makefile one got an update. And C++ and Puppet. Okay, maybe a few of these got updates. The Docker one takes forever to download because it downloads the entire Docker repo. Synecdoche says, nope, using Termion, it's a Rust library for terminal handling. Oh, that's cool. Sarcastic Dante says it's annoying without autocomplete, right? Yeah, are you telling me that I should switch to Zish or whatever that'll have autocomplete there? Okay, so we bumped a bunch of different grammars here. Let me make sure we have tests for all of these grammars first before just blindly taking the upgrades. Babby grammars. Test data. We don't have a makefile one. All repos, find files, makefile. Let's see. Output paths, and let's just find some like reasonably sized makefile. That one seems fine. This is basically the same code. That's an old one. Let's take this one for AnthonySatilli.com. We'll use that one. That one seems complicated enough. What? These aren't makefiles. Oh, makefile.pl. Ooh, this one's a little bit more complicated. But yeah, we'll just take the AnthonySatilli.com one. This one. Repos. Makefile, and copy that into. Oh, I'm not in the right directory. Babby grammars, test data. I wonder if the makefile one has a file extension, because if we can use a file extension, that would be better. It should be .mk. Share. Source dot make file types. Maybe I can use .makefile. Let's try that. Source.make.makefile. Yeah, that highlights properly, so we can do that one. We already have a test for C++, I believe. C++, yeah, we have a test for C++. We don't have a Puppet test. Modules. What's a more complicated one? That one's not super complicated. Let's not use that one. Let's use this one. No, that one's super simple. Python? Sure. Let's just use the Python one. CP this to test data. I promise we'll get back to actual code in a second. Just hang on a sec. Share, Babby, grammar, source.puppet. Source.puppet.pp. CP, not PC. Sarcastic Dante says, more like referring to the open issue in pre-commit. Oh yeah, I haven't gotten around to that. At some point. Alex says, Zish is great. Zish is some fancy theme. Actual real nerd then. Yeah, I'm fake nerd right now. Really feel much more productive using it. I see. Synecdoche. Oh, we found the fish user. Synecdoche is a fish user. Man. I just can't get into fish. It's like subshell behavior is just fucking broken for me. I don't know how I would possibly get anything done. Sarcastic Dante says, Zish plus Oh My Zish plus power level 10 plus FCF and your goldens. Yes, I've heard those good things. Arthena says maybe an X-Tech League can't use it. He's too managery. Yikes. Building Lava says, have you tried bat instead of cat/less? Well, I don't use cat very often. I don't have bat installed. So I'd have to install bat. Hey, what's up, D-Toys? Hello, hello. Okay, we copied over the Puppet one. We have a Markdown test. Do we have a SQL test? We do have a SQL test. Do we have a TOML test? We do have a TOML test. Cool. But we need to re-download these now. Bin, download syntax, download. This will update everything, and then we'll make a release of the grammars, and then we'll have brand new syntax outing, which will be pretty swick. But this will take a while because that's just the way things go. Wait, why was that one so fast? Oh, I know why. Because this doesn't actually download the full repo now. It just downloads the particular file that we need of it. Hey, what's up, Swills? Hello, hello. Welcome back. If you guys don't know, I actually talked about Swills earlier in the stream, but Swills is a streamer as well. Did you see my patch cut merged? So Virtual Env has a fix for those tests. So now this should be a little bit easier for you to package on FreeBSD. I actually ended up fixing another test too for Windows, because lol Windows. Let's see, did Gabber Burnett make a release? No, but he did bump the linters. Oh right, because I made a fix for him in setup CFG format, which sorts all these, which is nice. Pretty nice. Oh, we got rid of this because we didn't need it anymore. Cool, 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 cool. But did he actually make a release is the question. Looks like no. That's fine. But yeah, hopefully that'll make that easier for you. Hey, what's up, Tubeworm, who says Scooby Snack. How's it going, Tubeworm? Welcome back. Arthena says Bat is broken in Ubuntu 20. Well, I guess I won't install it then. Toddy says, oh, I read Python 4.x. Yeah, no, that was PyTest 4.x. But yeah. Okay, so now that we've updated these, we should be able to do bin test grammars. And we need to actually be in the virtual environment. Pip install dot. Test grammars. And we can remove makefile and puppet from this list. Wait, I don't have a test for Python. Seems a little silly. But I guess that's fine. Git add test data share bin. Oh. What changed in the licenses? Oh, just the URL. Again, check out origin master grammar update. Update the grammars to the latest versions. Cool. And we'll make a pull request out of this. And then hopefully I'll be able to just pull this latest version in my text editor and have better highlighting, which would be cool. Basically a bunch of versions, updated the licenses, and these files all got, you know, major updates here. We also added some test stuff here, which is pretty cool. Melting Lava says you can always compile it from source using cargo install -- locked bat. Ooh. What is bat? What is bat? Bat cargo. A cat clone with syntax highlighting and Git integration. Oh. Interesting. That is kind of cool. I still prefer lolcat. I feel like lolcat is a little bit better. Oh damn, this is a really fucking old version. Yikes. Have you guys seen lolcat? It's pretty good. Pip install Ruby Venv. How do I use this tool? Ruby system rv. Gem install lolcat. Then if you do alias cat equals lolcat, you can cat, you know, some random file. Setup.cfg, sure. Wait, we don't have setup.cfg there? Oh, this is that. We want -ci setup.cfg. And you get lolcat, which is pretty cool. And if we cat somebody's readme, you get all these fun rainbowy things. But yeah, lolcat is pretty great. Hey, what's up, Jewish Rainbow? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. So, funny thing about lolcat, at Yelp, I had a coworker, Buck, and we used to like prank each other subtly, in like various ways if people left their computers unlocked. And one of the pranks that I did to Buck was I changed his cat to lolcat, and he actually liked it so much that he just kept it. He was just like, this is my life now. But the cool thing about lolcat is if you pipe it to something, so you know you pipe it to less, it actually disables the coloring, so it's only rainbowy in your terminal, which is pretty nice. The Gelmega says, hey, still looking for a decent language, I see. Hey, what's up, the Gelmega? How's it going? How are you? Welcome back. KGN official says topic suggestion: shell scripts versus make files. Do you mean like describing like the basics of make in a video or something like that? Yeah, I could probably do that. I tend to not really like either of them nowadays, but let's see, video idea basics of make files. I find that make files are pretty hard to understand, and so it might be a good idea to throw together a video for that. But yeah, thanks for the suggestion there. Mr. Cartoonster says, "Hey Anthony, pre-commit skips a lot of checks for me. I've got to edit my config." Oh, yeah. So the thing with pre-commit is it tries to match files based on what you're committing. So it's possible that that's what's happening there. Athena says, "I think some more marketing is required." Yeah, that would make sense. St. Aaron says, "For obvious reasons, lolcat is superior." Chico Code says, "I like Neon Cat. Is there another one?" Terminal utility. Oh, I see. It just shows Neon Cat. Nice. Why is there a server package? Why? Why is there a server? I guess so you can telnet into... Oh my goodness. Oh! I know this guy! I used to work with this dude! Yeah, we worked together at Yelp. Kevin's a cool guy. I wonder where he works now. But yeah, Kevin wrote his own operating system and stuff. Why is this terminal not interactive? But anyway. But yeah, I didn't know that he wrote Nyan Cat. But yeah, small fucking world, I guess. But Synectic Key says, "Have a meeting to attend? Alright, well, I'll see you around in the future." John Mega says, "I think I'm a time traveler." What do we got here? What am I not trusting and opening off screen? Are you saying that Makefile is a better language than Python? Is that what you're saying? Hey, what's up, Roko? Welcome back. Good to see you again. Chico Code says there's a server version of everything nowadays. I guess so. Jenga says, "Why is my Windows clock screwed up? I'm living 3 minutes in the future." Arthena says, "Take a look at Power Mode 2 for PyCharm." Well, I don't use PyCharm, but I will look at it for you. Oh, I've seen this. Yeah, I've seen this. Actually, I think I saw Power Mode 1. I don't think I've seen Power Mode 2. But it's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. You know, where you get kind of like combo effect things shooting out from your terminal as you type stuff. Remoko says, "You remembered me? I'm honored. I remember a good chunk of chat." Chico Code says, "That must be cool at 117 words per minute." Yeah. Could you just imagine just like things? It would probably lag your GPU at that rate. But anyways, what was I doing? Did I create this pull request? Yes. Merge. We need to make a release of this so that I can start using it. Delete. Get checkout master. Pull prune. Delete all of my merged branches. And we can update this. What did I do last time? Just bump the version? Easy. To 15. Just wheel. Upload that. Grab my password from my password manager. Paste this in here. Copy some random ass text. And remember to push the tags this time. I apparently forgot to push tags on one of my repos, so somebody made an issue about it. I actually don't know how they figured this out. But there was an issue yesterday. Closed. Yeah, pip is the latest version is 2.3.1, but the latest tag is 2.3.0. I don't know how they noticed this, which was pretty odd to me. But I apparently just forgot to push the tag, which makes sense because I usually do it in order so that the tags are always last. But yeah, they got a weird error. I don't know why they suggested removing from PyPI. This is never the right thing to do. But yeah, I fixed it by publishing 2.3.2. They meant 2.3.7.1. They meant 2.3.1, not 3.7.1. But anyway, we fixed that. But now, if I pip install upgrade Babby grammars, bin pip, we should be able to see this highlighted properly. Yay, it's fixed. That's been bugging me for a long time, so I'm kind of glad that I took the time to do this. Dogman says, seems auto time setting in Windows was off, and I message throttled since I moved 3 minutes into the past. Oh no. Well, it seems like you're able to type stuff now, so that's good that that's fixed. But anyway, sorry about the distraction here. We'll get to the actual code that I was working on. Hey, what's up, N4? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. What was I doing? Let me see if this actually... I broke stuff here. Flaking that guy. And hey, what's up? Waysover? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, if I close and reopen this pull request, it should re-trigger a run here. So if we close and reopen, it should trigger a run here. And oh, I forgot to restart the script, so this is running old code. So we gotta actually close that out and redo this, and that's the wrong window. So this PR looks a bit like a Christmas tree because I've been doing a lot of testing just with this PR. This build took 0 seconds. All of it was in runtime. Hey, what's up, Ninas92? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Arthena says now actually something. Okay, so I think we need to do some more refactoring in this function as well. Def build. We need to split out the run portion as well. And so this is actually just the run portion here. So that's pretty straightforward. Hey, what's up, Empire? Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Yeah, Sarcastic Dante set that to our MOTD. If you guys don't know, if you have channel points, you can spend them to change what that bot command does. We made this because I forgot to set permissions on my bang today command, and so chat, went wild a few streams ago and was just like modifying bang today. And I actually want to use bang today for, actually telling you guys what I'm working on. But I wanted to make a way so that chat could spend some channel points to change what the bot says. And so far, no one has abused it too terribly much. But it's kind of a neat little thing. I was very surprised to see that you can actually get channel point notifications directly from the IRC protocol. But if you look... up here, this blue one is where Sarcastic Dante spent some channel points to make that show up there. Also, we get the Twitch highlight as well, so we can see that in chat as well, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so if I do like highlighted message or whatever, oh well, the gentleman guy set one for me. I know I'm programming Python, but I'm working on fixing that and switching to a good language. Damn, dude. Fucking wrecked. Arthena says 1 hour for refactoring 100 lines into a new function. Hey, we did some other stuff too. We worked on some stuff for my text editor, but you're not entirely wrong there, Artheno. The Dominguez had to do it at least once, yeah. Okay, so the other function that we'll have here is run, which will take to extract, which will be a set of stir. We actually need the image as well, right? We need a repository and image. We need all of those things. Repository, stir, image, stir, to extract, set, to extract, and repos, set, repos. And I'm not sure what this is going to return. Something though. Oh, I really need to make that a macro. Doing this manually is kind of a pain. But what will we return here? At the very least, we need to return the integer return code. We'll probably also return the output at some point. So let's do tuple int stir. And we'll move this code here. Oops. Up to here. And retv output equals run args.image args repository to extract and repos. We'll put the timing information in here. Why did I just have return 0 at the bottom? That code was definitely dead. Oh well. Andrew says, can you add auto tab to Babby for new lines? So here's the thing. I've never found an auto indent that didn't fucking suck. So if you can find an auto tab algorithm that doesn't suck, let me know, and yeah, then we can implement it. But it kind of, like, it has to be language agnostic and, like, kind of not broken. But, but, yeah. Huh. Somebody is actually selling pre-commit.ci in the Pyrite issue, which is pretty cool. But it's not done yet. Hey, what's up, OG Daily? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. The Jalmia says, wait, you have 2 Java endorsements for Java on LinkedIn. Do you have something with bad languages? Did somebody really endorse me for Java on LinkedIn? I mean, I have written Java. Is this me? Yeah, this is me. I'm endorsed for HTML? What the fuck? And JavaScript and C? I'm highly skilled. Oh wait, Teresa is highly skilled at JavaScript. I guess that makes sense. Or at HTML. How can you be highly skilled at HTML? I don't understand that one. Oh yeah, we did the Python skill quiz on stream because you guys thought that would be funny. Do you want an endorsement for Salt? Oh no, not Salt Stack. I am actually pretty good at Salt Stack though, but I don't really want an endorsement for that. Angel Next says VS Code ? I don't know, I haven't worked with theirs. If you can like give me like a GIF overview of like some auto tabbing that seems good, then yeah, I'll consider it. The one for Nano was garbage though, so that's why I never got into it. Martina says, at least more productive than me yesterday, where I did some REST stuff in a proprietary tool for 2 hours just to learn that their REST connector only provides get and put but not delete. Oh no, that's a mess. Saint Adrian says, is there a GitHub repo or am I just blind for pre-commit.ci? There is, but it is private right now. And I think it will remain private for the time being. This is kind of an annoying call to action. But yeah, there's a couple of private repos and then there's a public repo for the website. but so I'm planning to keep most of it private, partially because I want to add a pro version at some point, and yeah, if I give everyone all of the code, there's kind of no point to a pro version. But yeah. But yeah, there are repos, it's just private. This will eventually be public, the Docker image, so that people can modify it and provide, you know, new tools in the Docker image. But I haven't made that public yet. I'll probably do that when I do the actual release of this. Next up, highly skilled in JSON or YAML. Yeah. Magic Stack says, why are you ex-tech lead? So I was part of the COVID-related layoffs in April, May? Whatever fucking month it was. Where Lyft laid off 19% of employees. Hey, what's up, Andy Davies? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully your day is going well. JB Pratt says, beta when? Should be... I don't know, I keep saying like within a couple weeks, but we're getting very close to having results. And I think I'll be able to have like a super alpha-y version of it soon. But we're gonna need to spend a bunch of time doing AWS setup. So I think we'll be doing some fun AWS tech stuff at some point, which will be kind of cool. Magic Stack says, holy fuck, are they bankrupt because of the bug bounty program? They paid a lot. Wait, how much did Lyft's bug bounty pay out? Because I feel like there weren't that many payouts here. Where's the oh, that is such a jarring header experience. Did they not list all their vulns? I know that I am not eligible for submitting vulnerabilities, but I also know the places you would probably want to look the most if you want to find them. Because Lyft has a bunch of Angular code and it's particularly bad. So if you can find Angular pages on Lyft's websites, that would be where you would look. Shiko Codes shows the MOTD. The Joe Manga says, the United States, where we can lay off people because of a pandemic. What a first world country. Yeah, fucking the United States is garb. But no, I think they mostly laid people off because the business very much did not do well during what's the fucking word? Stay at home? Yeah, during the quarantine shenanigans. J. Pratt says, oh wonderful, now I get you to watch you fumble around with Moto like you saw me. I'm not using Moto. Fuck that. Fuck that stupid library. We're not using the mock-boto library. I'll just use mock.patch. Whatever. Mock.patch.object. That'll work well enough for me. Disclose publicly. Oh, I don't know if they did or not. Sarcastic Dante with the garbage emote. Fishy poos! Fishy poos! That's such a good name, says Lockdown. Yeah, Lockdown is another way. Microdev says, can we give you a lift in the home? What does that mean? Hey, what's up, Chatty1992? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Jomega says, well, also the US, state makes it illegal for cities to force the wearing of masks. It's a real thing. Yes. I don't fucking understand why we can't just be like, yo, masks is not a political thing. It's literally so you don't fucking die. Like, how is this a thing? Weeloo says, what is pre-commit? Okay, I can talk about pre-commit. So I actually need to make a video about this. I have not made a video yet. And I actually just recorded a podcast about this, but it won't come out for another month. So unfortunately, I have nowhere that I can just like point you other than pre-commit.com. But let me tell you about pre-commit. Sarcastic Tony says, here we go again. Yeah, because I probably talk about this like 2 or 3 times a stream. But the idea behind pre-commit is a linter and code formatter runner tool that also knows things about Git hooks. The TLDR is once you've installed it and set it up, you create a configuration file that you check into your repository. The configuration file lists a set of tools and whatever version that you want, and you can list as many of those as you need. It knows how to integrate stuff with Git hooks, And the selling part is it knows how to install and run all those tools. So basically you just need pre-commit and a config file, and you suddenly have access to, you know, hundreds of tools that are linters and code formatters in a bunch of different programming languages. And they'll automatically run against your files in your Git repo, and you'll get nice little output like this. But yes, that's pre-commit. Magsack says they put their program to private. Oh, that's kind of shitty of them. Probably because they just like found vuln after vuln on their Angular pages, or because like, you know, they were trying to cut, I don't know, lift cut pretty much anything not essential right as quarantine hit, because the business was not doing well. So it could be that that was lost with that as well. Market devs, oh yeah, their business fell apart because you can't get a lift while you're staying at home. Yeah. The Jumega says, why can't the US be more like Canada or Europe, right? I agree. Valsbird says, this is the video, clip time. Yeah, well, I kind of want to like re-record because in the middle of streaming, I'm kind of in like a different mood and different mode, and I get those file notifications, and I'm, you know, speeding through this, and there's like a bunch of other stuff that I would want to talk about here, like where pre-commit came from, like why I did that and that sort of thing. But yeah, I'll definitely talk more about that soon. But yeah, Artheno says, oh, Sarcastic Dante has been following for 1 year and 5 months. That's quite a long time. I actually don't know who has the most. Is it Shoddy? It might be Shoddy. 1 year and 8 months. Although I've been streaming for 1 year and 10 months, so it's possible that we have people that have followed even longer than that. But I don't know where they all are. Artheno says you could record your pre-commit elevator pitch and put it on the page. Yeah, that's the plan. That is the plan. Jugmax says, well, all except for Pyrite. You can still run Pyrite, but in kind of a weird way. Sarcastic Dante says, imagine how many times I've heard it already during those 1 year and 5 months. That's true. You've probably heard this pitch like a good, 200 or 300 times. Oh, actually, I found a new page for stream analytics, which I really liked. Let me find where that is. But you can actually kind of see like all of the streams that I've ever done on Twitch. Oddly, they have stats all the way back to the beginning, which I don't know quite how they've done this. But these are all the streams that I've ever done. So my first stream was on September 16th of 2018. I had a maximum of 14 viewers, which was way back when. This was back when programming was a category. Actually, wow, that's actually kind of surprising that I had, a decent number of viewers that stream. But I had 7 followers from my very first stream way back when. But yeah, this was back when programming was a category, before Twitch ruined it and put it, wait, why did the back button not work? Oh, I hate when back buttons don't work. Before Twitch ruined it and gobbled it into the science and technology category. But yeah, let me link this in chat, but it's actually kind of a cool little setup here. But let's see, does it tell me how many streams I've done? Overview. This is in the week. I've streamed 802 hours. Oh look, I'm currently live. I have 3% or 2 and change percent of Science and Technology's viewers. It's kind of wild. Where's the one where it tells me total number of streams? Oh, here we go. Most stream games. This is not right. Oh, this is the week. What if we do custom for all time? Select period 2017 to 2020. Okay, there we go. It still doesn't give me the answer that I wanted. But anyway, I've streamed a lot of times, and I've probably explained it quite a few times. Anyway, something like that. Hey, what's up, Flo24? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Jamie Pratt says, our boy is essential in our hearts. Yeah. Magitech says, they just don't have money to pay up, so they market as private. Yeah, that's probably what it is. Chico Codes has been following for 3 months. Nice. Nice. Sarcastic Dante says follow age MXR. MXR's name. Ooh, do I give away Max's Twitch handle? Because Max's Twitch handle is different. I won't give away his handle because I feel like he's trying to be a little bit undercover with it, but I do know what his handle is. Chico says I was secretly following. Oh, a sneaky follower. I see you. Altway961 says, do you think that Python can compete in today's web market versus Go and JavaScript? I mean, I think JavaScript and Python are in kind of the same space. Now, granted, if you wanted a faster Python or a faster interpreter, you'd probably use PyPy, to which Sarcastic Dante will probably hiss at. But PyPy is kind of how you would get fast or like JavaScript equivalent runtime. But I think it's fine as a web framework. You know, it's usually not the execution speed of the runtime that you're worried about, because you're probably spending, you know, 90 to 95% of your time in like database connections or service calls or other stuff, and you're hopefully not bottlenecked on like JSON parsing or whatever. But even JSON parsing is going to be about the same in whatever language you're doing. But I don't know. Hey, what's up, the Dionysus? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. The gentleman says, just imagine him watching programming streams. Wait, what are you talking about? I do watch streams occasionally. Not as often as I actually stream, though. Anarchok says, your keyboard is cool. Is that a keyboard designed with Vim in mind? Escape key in the middle? Probably. So what you can do, and what a lot of people do with this keyboard, is they'll remap this key to escape, the left spacebar. So that way you get, like, you know, an escape key that's really easy. This is actually a Stream Deck, and it's kind of hard to see, but this is actually propped up on a 15-degree angle. So like, even though on camera it kind of looks like these are really close together, they're actually like very different in height. So you can see like one hand is above on the actual keyboard, one hand is below. But yeah, it's meant to be. Oops, that's the wrong stream. It's the wrong screen. It's meant to be ergonomic and stuff. It's kind of cool. This was sent to me by Kinesis, and this is the Freestyle Pro. If you do bang keyboard, which Chico Codes did, you can check out more about that keyboard. And if you do keyboard 3, you can learn more about this little bad boy down here. Sarcastic Dante says, mature content lull. Is that what the thing said? I didn't even read that. Does it say mature in here somewhere? I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, the John says, how many more viewers did you get since you added XLift Tech Lead to the title? I don't know that it actually changed my viewer count, but I've been kind of too lazy to change my clickbait. And, I don't know, it seems to work. I'll probably do another stream where I turn off the clickbait and see what happens, but my guess is like it won't make much difference. But it's a talking point. It's something that I can talk about, which is, you know, kind of fun. Hey, what's up, Altway961? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Arthino says, lewd plushies. Yes. They're not lewd right now. They're just hanging out. They're not being lewd. Chuddy1992 says, are you planning to switch from Python to another language? Probably not. Or at least, well, during the prototype phase of pre-commit.ci, I'm going to be writing everything in Python because it's going to be quick and easy for me to write stuff. But I do at some point want to port parts of it to Rust just because I want to learn Rust. But yeah, I don't have anything specific about there that I want to do yet. And I'm probably going to be mostly writing Python. Sarcastic Dandu says, I'll pass. Empire says, is that a custom-made Stream Deck? Yes. It is indeed a custom-made Stream Deck. If you do keyboard 3, you can look at the information for it. Sarcastic Dante says, it had mature content somewhere, never mind. Oh, I mean, there were a few streams like way back when where I accidentally opened some stuff on stream. So, yeah. Hey, what's up, Waffly58, who says, I don't know, I got interested when I read XLift Tech Lead, and also Twitch recommended me to you, so it certainly helped you. Nice. Well, welcome to the stream. Good to have you. I'm glad that something got you in here. Jamaica says, with that strat I could stream, I could write Crytek rendering engineer writes. I mean, you could. I know that, like, what's his name? Primogen streams by saying he's a Netflix engineer, and like that draws some of his content, I guess. But yeah. Hey, what's up, Waffly58? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Alex says, "Rear." What are we rearing about? The Dynasty says, what are you working on? So I'm working on pre-commit.ci. If you do bang project, you can check out what I'm working on. And let's see, how am I gonna do this? I kind of want to tee this output. Actually, we can turn off the diff. Color equals always. And how do I, so I want to both capture the output and I want to both capture the output and write it out to the output at the same time, so that we can kind of see it progress as things go. So I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do that. John Mega says, but Prime can actually stream his job. Can he though? Because he was talking about this at some point, and he has not told his employer that he streams any of his content on Twitch. And he also didn't get any agreement for like his open source stuff. So like, he might just stream his job and like ask for forgiveness, but I'm not sure that he's actually gotten sign off to do what he's doing. But Alex says it's an acronym. Rewrite it in Rust. I didn't know that was a thing. XX unemployed. Yeah, could be that as well. Jalmega. Luffy D Naruto says nice keyboard. That's not a nice word for you to say there. So I would ask you to not use this word in chat, please. Thank you. Cryophonics says, hello, I have changed my mind to code my projects in Python for the future to come. Nice. Cool. Chico Code says, Netflix culture, just do it and get fired. That's true. Alright, well, I guess we will ban this dude because he is being a dick. Bye. Jamaica says, RIR could also mean help. I'm in pain having to deal with Rust. Yeah. Jackson Turner says, I remember this dude. He got fired because he wrote some garbage ass code. What's up, Anthony? Are you talking to me, Jackson Turner? Damn. The spice. How's it going? It's going well. I mean, I didn't write garbage ass code. That's not me. Oh. He says as there's a typo in the code. Okay, but how do I get this working? So what comes to mind is T. T would get this working for me, but then I would have to write to a file. I guess that's fine. We could use that. Let's see. Temp file equals where so instead of tempter we're gonna use storedir here. And down here we're going to use storedir. Output equals steppath.join. Tempter output. And how do I use pipes in Python? Subprocess piping Python. I think I just pass it as standard in. No, this is the old version. Communicate. Is there not an example? Example using T. How to replicate T? Here we go. I could also just do it by reading the output. Yeah, let's do that instead. Let's do that instead. So then I don't actually need this temporary directory. Output equals the empty string. Process equals subprocess.p open with this command here. See, standard out equals subprocess.pipe. Standard error equals subprocess.standard out, and standard in equals subprocess.dev null. So we have no input, and standard out and standard error are piped. And we have this, and we could do for line in process.standard out, print line. Parts.append. Parts.append line. Is this gonna work? I don't know. Process.wait and return process.return code and join all of the parts. I think that's how we can do this, or we can use io.stringio. We can use output.getValue. Think that'll work? Now the docs recommend against this because it may deadlock, but we're not doing input and output here. We're only reading here, so this should be fine. I think, maybe. Undefined name IO. Yeah. So I think we should be good there. Forsen says, Anthony, you're so freaking hot. Welcome back, Forsen. Good to see you again. John Guy says, Anthony, you write Python. What do you expect having a job with that? Is he? Forsen says, no, please, this command is anti-simp. Please delete this. Jackson Turner says, do you remember Dave? Which Dave? My manager Dave? My manager Dave was also laid off as part of COVID, so I don't know what you're talking about. Lakmini says, hello, I left to have dinner and came back to a hater on chat. It's true, Lakmini. There was a hater in chat. Jackson Turner says he had to rewrite that whole library you made. Well, I didn't write any libraries at Lyft, so I know you're bullshitting me. But it's all good. It's all good. I get you. You're just trying to troll. Chico Code says that means Anthony's getting popular. Yeah. Jogman says deadlocks, they are always fun. That's true. Sinachin says, what is Flake 8? So Flake 8 is a linter for Python code, and it checks whether code is correct or not. Technically, it's a linter framework, so you can have all sorts of other linters that plug into Flake 8. By default, it's PyFlakes and PyCode style, and it also integrates with McCabe, which is a complexity checker, but it's off by default. Oh boy, you have removed all of your volos. Adrian Line Junkie? Is that what I'm gonna go with? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Jackson Turner says at Lyft we prefer the term lifted away to laid off. That's fake. That's super fake. Orson says, sorry, I was busy finishing up my AI minor, and now I can spend all my time simping on you again. Nice. Hey, what's up, Sleepy Doob? Who says, in a better place now. The Jelmega says, Python linter has an easy job. You're using Python. This is all just wrong. Alright, the Jelmega. I see how it is. Okay, well, I'm out of water, so I'm gonna fill up my water. I will be right back. I will see you guys in a sec. Alright, we're back, chat. Hello. Moist Dust says, I bet Jelmega uses Rust. Ooh. Could be a thing. Recursive Chat says, what does MOTD stand for? It stands for Message of the Day. And you can now spend your channel points to set the output of the MOTD command using my fancy little bot over here. If you spend channel points, it'll end up being a thing there. But yeah, the Jelmega says, I'd rather call HTML a programming language. Yeah, I think HTML should kind of count. Like, it's declarative. It's declarative, but it's text that a computer interprets and has some outputs and stuff. Jackson Turner says, sorry about the liftaways. With you and Dave, we're having a rough time with all the regulations in the sector. I feel like you're just making shit up, Jackson Turner. Unless, are you the long lost other Hayden? Man, if you're the other Hayden, it's been a long time. Hey, what's up, Basher Zombie? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully your day is going well. Mine's going pretty well itself. Moista says, most original telephone dial. Yes. Oh, and then Juice messed with my chat while I was gone. I see you, Juice. Jackson Turner says, our new backend is in Rust. Maybe you should take a look at it. That would never happen at Lyft. There's no fucking way. Moista says, I manage my own memory. No, thank you. German Gamer says, hey, I know how to use Vim. Can you get me a job at Lyft? Oh, is my sound not working? It should be working. JL, I think it's working. I mean, unless Twitch is having more problems again, because it was having problems before. A German Gamer, I mean, I can't get you a job at Lyft because I don't have a job at Lyft. But presumably, like, you could pass the interview and get a job there. That would work. Jamia says HTML is hypertext markup language. Yes, I guess. I mean, it has language in the name, therefore it must be a language, right? Oh, if HTML is a programming language, it should be HTPL. Okay, I see you guys. I see what you're putting down there. J-Brad says, oh sure it was juice. Yeah. Moista says that sound is fine. Okay, cool. Cool. We require Emacs Lisp experience. Email Stacy at HR if you're confident. Oh, you goof. Empire says Axe Jackson Turner clearly works at Lyft. D-Toy says set the MOTD, which is what this this color here is. This gets triggered if a channel point reward happens. But yeah, we can actually see who has spent the most channel points in the bot. db.db. I can run the right command. Oh no! Oh, I spelled this wrong. db.db. It's like, oh no, where did all my tables go? Select... Oh boy, select user sum points from MOTD group by user. Oh, and then we would want to sort that. No column points. What? Order by... oh, do we have to name this table? Order by t.points? Select user points? What do you mean no column points? Oh, we need as t, maybe? As t? I don't know how to SQL anymore. Hey, what's up, WM Twitch? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But we can clearly see that Sarcastic Dante has spent the most points on yield channel points here. You don't need another select. Oh, is ordering after that? Order by some... Oh, yeah, you can just do this. Right. And if we want descending, we can see that Sarcastic Dante is followed by what's my OPSEC? Yeah, you're right. I remember how to SQL. I promise I know what I'm doing. Kriviki says, can someone gift a sub? Oh, we did get a sub gift. Hey, what's up, El Papa Pig? Oh, El Papa Pig is the one who gifted the sub. Wait, gifted a tier 2 sub. Damn, we're getting real simpy here. But you guys know the rules about gift subs, right? Do we lose more than one button for tier 2? I don't know how this works, but there we go. We've loosened up the shirt a little bit. But thank you for gifting a sub, El Papa Pig. I think that's actually my first tier 2 sub ever. There's no extra benefits for tier 2 subs, but thank you for gifting a sub. I appreciate it. Dun, 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 dun. Just add order by in the same... Yeah, I got that eventually. Sarcastic Dante says, make that 2500. Use Emacs, kids. Nice. Yeah, you guys all helping me with SQL, because I totally fucked that up. Moista says ex-live tech lead for a reason. Well, I don't usually use group by queries very often. We got there eventually, though. D-Toy says, being number 2 in points list feels good, man. Oh, I see. Monka.tos, HTML is the building block of life. Oh, man. We need to bonk the whole channel. It's true. The Jamaica says, if the shirt opens up even more, I'm gonna need some eye bleach. Oh, and now Chico Codes has the emotes. Nice. Okay. So let's see if this worked. I don't know if we finished the code or not, but if we close and reopen, we should be able to still get the same output as before. String argument expected got bytes. Right. Right. That makes sense. Of course it's bytes. We should have just run mypy first. Right. We can actually do... Well, we kind of do want to keep it as bytes for writing to the output. sys.standardout.buffer.write line sys.standardout.buffer.flush and ooh, because it's possible people put garbage in here. Is it backslash escape? Is that how this works? B and then just some garbage. Unknown. Backslash escape site stackoverflow.com. I know I've answered something about this, so I'm gonna find my previous answer. Damn, what is this? Do you guys remember what this is? There's a error mode for escape. Or decode, sorry. Errors. Ignore or replace. There's another one. Error handlers. Backslash replace. I was so close. Backslash replace. Okay, cool. And just backslash replace site stackoverflow.com. Just to be thorough here, I'll show you guys my answer here. But anyway, this is what I was thinking of. Am I logged in there? I'm not logged in there. Am I logged in here? Yeah, I'm logged in here. But yeah, this is the answer that I was thinking of on Stack Overflow. I can remember the Stack Overflow answer, but I can't fucking remember the actual name. Hey, what's up, Ready Tintaya? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Dominic says, you know what? For every sub, wear more clothes. Les FCB says, which music playlist do you listen to? Is it royalty free? I eventually did some transmissions and Twitch removed the audio. Yeah, I do use a copyright free playlist. You can grab the link in the description, but here's the link to the list as well. But even with it being copyright free, Twitch sometimes scrubs the audio as well, and YouTube sometimes scrubs the audio too. So that's just the way things go, I guess. You know. Oh, that's funny. Okay. But yeah, this should be sufficient there. So let's try that again now. This actually should rerun immediately because it failed. We forgot sys due to the way that I've implemented my fake SQS. So I have a fake queue worker here, so it's actually blocking on the expiration time here. We can actually speed it up. Queue.SQLite. Update. Oops, we crashed. If you Control C too many times, SQLite's just like, all right, bye. Update queue items set visibility time end equals null. And receipt handle equals null. This is basically just to reset the queue. You can see that as soon as I do that, it starts running again. Invalid reference format. Well, that's not good. And it did result in a failure here, so that's kind of interesting. But yeah, we haven't fixed this yet. Spent 4 minutes in the queue as I was debugging stuff, yeah. What do you mean invalid reference formats? Les says, thanks for sharing. Yeah, no problem. DumbDF Coding says, bye everyone. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around in the future. Juice, for some reason, is shouting out Pokemon. I don't know what's up with that, Juice. Why are you abusing your mod powers? Did I pass the wrong arguments here? Oh, that looks right. Image invalid reference format. Well, we can put a breakpoint here and figure out what's going on. Presumably my Docker command is wrong. That's the wrong window. Close and reopen. Juice says she's everyone's favorite mod. Is she a mod again? Oh, we can't see the command. If we step into, we can see the command though. Let me step in. There we go. This is our command. Yeah, indeed, we have the wrong argument here. And we have put the image up here for some fucking reason. Oh, because I ordered these wrong. My bad. So that's why that's broken. Okay. We gotta do my same reset again. SQLite, no. Queue. We'll reset the queue. We'll remove the breakpoint. And then we'll run the scan. So it should print output. Cool. Okay, I think that works now. So you can see how much time it took. And we can get rid of this main now, I think. Cool, 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 cool. Moista says super simping, yeah. Simcheck, PokeW, I'm clean, it feels good, man. Do I have PokeW? Okay, I'm clean from the Simcheck too. Until somebody gifts me a sub to Pokemon. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Moistus is clean too, cool. Based streamer, says JB Pratt, yeah. Okay, so I need to change the run worker. Media builder equal import run. So we start by running def run.build, and that returns to extract repos equals run.build. With image and tempter, and then we can mark this as done. So that'll get the proper timing there, and then we can do run.run, and with that we can get retv and output, and then set the actual output here. That might actually work. Let's see where this goes. Let's see if, well, we should probably flakate that first. Flakate and pre-commit run mypy. Let's see what mypy has to say. Item none of byte.io has no attribute iter. Why are you optional? Oops. It's probably a bug in type shed. Type shed. There's probably so many combinations that it's not implemented properly either. 2 and 3 sub process. I guess it's only in 3 sub process. Popen. Nearly the same args as popen.init except for this. Popen, here we go. Oh, it's just always marked as optional. Technically it is wrong that popen provides double under new instead of double under init, but this shouldn't come up hopefully. Oh no. Well, I guess we just have to convince mypy that assert process.standard out is not none. That will make mypy happy in theory. Okay, so in theory, we should get some output now. If we close and reopen, the job manga is clean from the pokey shenanigans. Mpi has set the MOTD. Nice. MSR says PokeW. Hi, by the way. Hey, how's it going, MSR? Welcome back. Good to see you as well. Mare says, don't know where it's from though. Oh, the haha sweat. Yeah, it's from the what is it called? The holiday special from 2019. Juice says PokeW check. Oh no, did somebody did gift me a sub? I can see it already. I already saw that somebody gifted me a sub. Let's see which one of you simps gifted me a sub. Notifications. Juicebox Hero has gifted you a tier 1 sub to Pokimane. I guess that means that I have PokeW now. Oh boy. God damn it, chat. Juice! What is this screenshot? Do I trust your screenshot, right? One time, 1 month, tier 1 gift subscription for Anthony Wright's code to channel subscription Pokimane. Wow. I hope that you enjoyed your $5 on that one, Juice. Juice the Trapbox Hero. Fucking comedy, yeah. The Joel Mega says, I do have this emote, which seems to be from the same series as the Sweating Snowman. Yes, I don't have all the haha emotes. I didn't stream enough during that time. My favorite one from that is, haha, this is fine though. It was like a burning snowman. It's pretty good though. Simp exposed, yeah. Well, my bot isn't a simp, so we've at least got that going. But Moistes says, gonna hop off for now. Have a good one, y'all. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around in the future. Always good to have you. Oh, but this should have worked now, maybe. Let me close some of this stuff here. And this check should have output here. Oh, look at that! I mean, it has the escape sequences, so it's not quite done yet, but you can see pre-commit output in the status page, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Quickly gift that bot a gift sub. Oh my goodness. You guys. Who gifted? How do I even check? I guess I can open up a private tab and log in. Anthony writes code bot. What is my password manager for that? Copy that. Log in. Then it's two-factor. 67. 94. Which one of you? I bet it's Juice again. It's gonna be Juice again, right? Yeah, it's Juicebox Hero. Gifted a tier 1 sub to... you also gifted my bot a sub to Juicebox Hero. What? Why though? But yeah, I guess my bot is subbed to several people now. Can you view your own subs? Subscriptions. Yeah, I'm subscribed to 3 channels. 4 channels. 3 channels. One of them is expired, I see. You guys are so silly. I'm so happy. Snoppy knows me. I mean, it was most likely you. I don't know who else would do that. Andrew says you should disable gift subs for Anthony Red's code bot. Why though? It seems fine. Seems fine to let people sub my bot. Free advertisement, I guess. Just Pokemon gets a random sub notification for Anthony Wright's code bot. I guess that makes sense. Oh, somebody said it to PokeW Juice Speak Cry. Perfect. Hey, what's up, AMDWI? Hello, welcome to the stream. Who said it to seems good? You guys are great. Okay, but I think this is actually kind of working now. I don't have this working, and I don't have... I mean, it still looks like shit. But we have the, like, text output here. We need to highlight this properly, and I was planning on using a... Why is my phone buzzing? Oh, it's Dick Sword. It's probably Juice. It's Juice! Just saying hi. But yeah, I'm not sure how much more I want to work on this today, because I've already been streaming for 3-ish hours, and this works. There's some like to-do stuff and highlighting that I want to get done here. I guess I'll show you the library that I'm planning to use to get this working. It's another Chris special, and it is not in his top repositories. 154, holy crap! We're gonna have to sort by sources. Sources. Oh, he's writing a new music management library. That's cool. But Pigment's ANSI color is what I'm planning to use for doing syntax highlighting here, which will take ANSI escape sequences and turn them into HTML colors. So I'll be able to use this to highlight the output, which will be pretty cool. Arthena says PyProject.toml and SRC coming to pre-commit soon. That's not happening. The Jummaker says X Tech Lead, meaning I did something noteworthy, I guess. Wow, you guys with the shots fired. What does MOTD mean? It means message of the day. Yes, thank you, the Jummaker, for doing something positive and productive for once. But yeah. I think I'm gonna end this here and do my little spiel and send you guys off to another channel. So thank you all for stopping by. If you like the content that you saw today, or if you didn't like the content, either way, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload all of my previous content, and that's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. I've also been uploading educational content as well, and you can check those out. I stream on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, and I announce those streams in 2 places. One is on Twitter, and that's twitter.com/codewithanthony, and the other is on Discord, which Sarcastic Dante has helpfully linked. Also coming up on August 1st, we're planning to do a 24-hour stream That is actually next week. Shit, that has caught up real quickly. But yeah, we'll be doing a 24-hour stream because Sarcastic Dante finally redeemed that. And if you guys have ideas for that, leave them on the Discord. But we'll probably be doing a mix of content on that day. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and let's go find someone to raid. Well, before that, we'll say hi to Seno-kun, who has followed. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, let's go find someone to raid.